Today for my project, I'm excited to try out this 900 denier canvas bag with 18 pockets. Let's look at some of the features. On the outside, I love the varying height pockets. This one's the elastic up here is particularly nice to hold taller tools from flopping over. You've got pockets on each end. Some nice lower pockets for shorter items so they don't get lost in the bottom of a deep pocket. And then a nice wide pocket on this end. A few other features I really like is the folding handle. It folds right inside the bag. And the storage, the capacity of this bag is great. Got a lot of storage in here. One thing I particularly like though, which is pretty cool, it fits right in this bag, is a little handy folding stool. So this works great for just quick portability. This bag also has a quick attach handle. That I like. It's padded and is an adjustable length, which is really nice for short people like me that usually need a shorter strap. The inside of this bag has rigid sides that, upon being folded up, the handle folds in and the entire bag collapses quite flat. When you put the hard sides back in place, the bag is very nice and rigid. And then on the inside, you also have the same elastic type straps to hold taller items in place and several inner pockets as well. The outside, I forgot to mention, does have some nice durable pieces on the bottom to protect the canvas, but it's also waterproof. So this makes a great all-purpose bag for a lot of different things.